Let me put into the void. What the heck? Ay! Totally! What are? Bye-bye, you little shit. Oh, she dead. If you wanted to get with if you want to get when the bro, I need to reset it. Okay, that's not a little bit further. 3 minutes later. Bro, I've been ticking for so long. It's a beautiful day in here. But I need to... Bye-bye, you little shit. She killed. Oh, she's gonna die me. Let me try. It's the ice cream! Ah! She died. I need to get the before it dies. Oh, tree. What the heck? No, that's not the blood. Let me see if what's happening here. What the heck? Where is him? It's a weak him. But let's spawn so many. 100 years later. I got spawned a many one, but so get funny. This is already get. Let me get. That's it. Ooh, that's kind of good. Shadow Wooden? Oh, Spin Master.
Ay.
Bro, let's talk about this. Let's talk about this. Bro, let's talk about this. Let's talk about this. Let's talk about this. Let's talk about this. I need to reset this. Reload. What?
What?
May kauhi kayo tayo? Parang naman may kauhi.
Huh?
Parang kauhi.
Ha?
Kauhi. Naninisan tayo niya.
Ha?
Kauhi.
Ano po?
At aray, nawala ang kauhi ko din eh. Nawala ko din eh. Nawala.
What's up, me? Ah.
Ay, i-check kayo ni Ma'am bukas sa mga kainit. Ano yun? Ba, ikay may assignment. Hindi ko pa na-check ang bag mo.
Ah. Mas
Nawala nang cutter niya, hindi ko makita. Hindi
one
ko makita dun
mile.
eh, nawala.
One like.
Lang, Diyos ko, ang dumi ng tayo nga.
Baka naman
Balik ko pa.
mo ng higpit.
Opa.
Lalo pag
Lang, ang laki. Tingnan mo naman. Tingnan nyo sa tayo tutuli. Ay, tingnan nyo. Ay,
Doon pa sa tulay. Ayaw.
tuyo. Ay, ang lupot. Kapal na naman ang smog kanina. Ah,
What the heck?